All right, today we're gonna do a budget-friendly meal. I mean, I probably only spent a dub on everything. I mean, the chicken was about $13, fingerling potatoes, $4, $3. I mean, plus tax. I already had this in my pantry. You can't count shit you already got in your pantry. This is a roasted chicken, just with fingerling potatoes and Brussels sprouts. Somewhat healthy. It's a dish that we love. Throw it in the oven. Takes about 10 minutes to prep. Real easy. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, first step, we're just gonna half moon our Brussels and our fingerling potatoes. I mean, honestly, you can cut them how you want to if you want to dice them or whatever, but I'll just cut them in half like that. If you want to peel the skin, you can peel the skin, but I like the skin. I keep it on. I just make sure you wash your potatoes first too. All right, now that we have our potatoes cut, we're gonna cut our Brussels. Like I said, half moon. And throw them in the bowl. Now that we have our veggies cut and our potatoes, I know you noticed we have way more potatoes than the Brussels. I prefer potatoes. My wife loves Brussels. I like them deep fried with a little garlic, hoisin. But in this case, we're gonna splash them with some olive oil, a little bit of garlic. And this is some of my roasted garlic rub. And we're just gonna toss them up till everything is coated. And we're just gonna throw this in our 15 by 10 baking dish. Make sure you get all that garlic out because that should stick. Spread it around. This is our foundation right here. Now, our chicken. We're gonna butterfly it. Definition of a butterfly chicken or turkey, spatchcocked. Make sure you got some kitchen shears. So we're gonna take that spine out. That easy. Then you're gonna flip it over. And you're just gonna push. You heard that? That's all you gotta do. There you go. That easy. Now, I'm gonna hit it with a little olive oil. I'm gonna rub that down. Now it's time to rub it down with some seasonings. Honestly, you can pick whatever seasoning you want. It doesn't matter. Whatever you desire. Me, this is a roasted garlic Sazon rub. So we're just gonna rub that down. All right, now that we got it all seasoned, you can tell that's gonna come out looking pretty. Now, We're just gonna lay this on top of our veggies. Now I know you're like, oh no, he's putting raw chicken on veggies. Believe me, when it's finished and it's cooked, all the juices from this chicken are gonna seep into those potatoes, and those Brussels is gonna be fire. Now, last step before we put it in the oven, just a little bit of chicken stock, probably like a half a cup or maybe a cup. Now we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for about an hour 15 minutes, and we'll be ready to eat. All right, so this is a quick meal. It's not really quick. It takes about an hour and a half.
I was gonna say, 'cause this is not quick.
I mean, if you're a parent, you come home, throw it in the oven, you got like an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes to go do some other shit. So it's not a quick meal, but it's a meal that you can just let it go and go do some other shit. Yeah. Now this is one of her favorites too. Like I said, whatever seasoning profile you want to use is cool. I do a roasted garlic and Sazon mixture. It's real good. Simple chicken broth. Those Brussels and those potatoes sitting at the bottom in those juices, it just melts in your mouth. This is killing me to
Like
just
I
see.
said, if I don't talk a lot, it's because I'm eating.
This is killing me. I'm on a fast today, a juice fast. Fuck, this is killing me. This, oh my God.
Delicious.
So I will have the recipe in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga enjoy.
Ooh, look at that, look